Hey everybody, in this video I will be just talking about what I've been through while I was doing Python coding and stuff. So I will be showing you a little bit of the games I made and stuff, and a little bit of the games that you can make maybe if you want, if you keep watching my YouTube videos and stuff, because I'm going to be uploading more videos. And also, yeah, if you're thinking about that, why I haven't posted a video in a long time right now, like probably like a week or so or something like that. It's because like I had my schools were reopening and stuff, so I had to go to school. I mean, not school, like it was virtual schooling, but I had to go to school and stuff. So I'm sorry for all of you who were waiting for my next video and couldn't get my next video. And in this video, we'll be just talking about like what games I made, and like I'll show you some of the games also. So let me show you. So I'm gonna open my File Explorer, and I made this separate folder called coding, which I usually put all my data and stuff. So as you can see, like some of mine are like I made this turtle game, but like I couldn't really like put all the code in, is because my sister wanted to learn coding, and I had to remove everything and like type it all again step by step with her. So I couldn't complete this, so I gotta complete that. And I made this Tyron game. It's pretty awesome. Let me open it with Ideal and run module. And like basically the purpose of this game is that not like you don't have like basically you don't have to touch each other. If you touch one another, the person who touches the other who didn't touch the other person, it basically wins. Like I'm gonna show you one more time. Here, I'll show you. There, here. Uh, why is this keyboard happening? Let me give it a second. And there you go. There you go. Alright, so when I press, so WS for red and IK for blue. So if I, like the blue touched the red, and the red didn't touch the blue, so no touchies and stuff, so the blue touched the red, so the red wins. So that's one of my games. It's a pretty awesome game. I played it with my brother and my sister. And I made a lot of games. I made this tic-tac-toe game, and like basically like right now it's X's chance right here, so I'm gonna like X is first right now, so I'm gonna just like let's say I put X right here, and then I put O right here, then I put X right here, and then I put O right here, and then I put X right here. This is one. So you can do that, and this is one of my games. I'll also try to teach you this game as well, because it's pretty simple and pretty easy and pretty awesome. And I made a couple other games. Actually, this is not one of my games. I don't know why I named it Tic-Tac-Toe. But I have this. Oh yes, I forgot to show you this game. This is my snake game. There it is. And some of the game were actually very hard to make. And some of the games I do not remember. Like, I don't know which one it was. Okay, I think it was this one. So this is one of my snake games. Oh man, I lost. I went out of the boundary. I'm gonna get this dot, and I'm gonna go one dot bigger. There we go. You can go up, down, left, right. So basically you can go anywhere, and then you have to get this dot. And once you have your scores too, then like you can't go back, because if you hit your own self, you're gonna die. So this is one of my games, pretty awesome. And I had this Pac-Man game. So this Pac-Man game right here. This is one of my games. It's pretty cool too, but kind of slow and stuff. And I made it pretty slow. And also the red dots, they go in like one position. They don't go in like a lot of positions as well. So that's one of my games as well, and this is one of my games that I really like to play, and my dad also liked it. It's called Space Invaders. So I'm gonna press enter to start, and when I press space, it shoots. I should probably make the shooting faster because it's kind of slow, and the left arrow and the right arrow, you can, just use AD to turn to go. A is for left and D is for right. And then if you also right now I have 2 lives, so if I get hit, let's say I get hit by this, I have 1 live now. If you see it on the upper left corner, it says the lives, and also as like I've killed right now. Oh, see, I just died and it's closed to the game. So and those are all my games. I mean, oh yes, this maze game. I don't really like this game, but I'm just like, you just have to like try to get your pointer into the whole maze. Like you see this, you gotta go like this, and then out here, there. What you gotta do is you gotta like, make the correct like way, and do that blocks and stuff. So that's one of my games. And also, if you see my hacking thing, I was also learning how to hack. So you should know how to hack too, because like if you want to hack somebody, you can also hack someone. And also, I'm also still working on this secret game. I probably shouldn't tell you guys, but I am working on a secret game. Also, I made the Simon Says game. So like you just press wherever you want to put one, and then you have to like path 1, and then it's pretty simple. And then it says like that, and then it says yellow, red, red, and then yellow, red, red, red. Okay, yellow, red, 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 red. It's pretty. It gets harder while you go. The high score I got was, I think it was like 11 or 12. That was like my high score. So I hope you guys like my video and stuff. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please also like and subscribe to my channel. That would be appreciated. And also, if you want me to make another, like my next video might be coming out on, I think, probably next weekend, because my school is going on, because today was Labor Day in the United States. I don't know what country you're looking from my video from, so in the United States it was Labor Day and I got off for that, so I was able to make my video hopefully. And now it's getting tougher because like this is school, and like I have to do school, and my teacher gives me homework. I argue to my teachers about why I get homework for, like why can't we just do all the work in class and enjoy our rest of the day, and like because I get off at 4, and it's really tough, and like sports, like my mind just wants to get like sports and stuff, so it's a lot to deal with. So that's all, guys. And if you liked my video, please, if you liked or disliked or whatever you want, like whatever you want to do and stuff, so please like, or like whatever you think about my video, do whatever you want. Have a great day. Bye bye.